Greetings, Earthlings. This is Mr. Hoover with our virtual open house for the school year 2020 through 2021. I will be taking the screen off in just a second, and we'll watch a presentation before we do a virtual open house where I'll move you about the rooms. But again, this screen will delete, and you'll actually be watching a presentation, then I will come back. So in regards to our slideshow and virtual open house, these are the expectations that I have for the school year. I've got two quotes that I live by. If you follow these rules, you will thoroughly enjoy my class. It'll make learning easy. It'll make learning simple. It'll make your class day go faster. You'll be excited to come back the next day. One of the quotes, work hard, party harder. I've always said this. Since I was a little boy, I'd say, work hard, party harder. In class, we're going to work hard, harder than last year, and we're going to party harder than you've ever known before. Some of this working hard is going to be outside effort and practice. It might be a little bit more homework assignments than you're used to. You might have to play more, again, study harder and think harder. But the reward, I also say the word party, the reward will be much better. I hope some of you can attest to this. Evidence was shown last year, and you might have seen it or heard it with our performing groups. Second quote, education can be fun. School doesn't have to be a bore or a drag anymore. I think years ago it could or was. Education can be fun. In regards to Mr. Hoover and music, I try to make education and music fun, enjoyable. Once again, your day will go faster. If you're helping me teach, if you're helping me get the point across, if you're trying and showing good effort, you will be having fun, and again, the reward will be great. Rules and expectations. The overall umbrella would be all school rules apply. That just makes sense. If it's in the school handbook, you must abide by that. Another one that I'll be pushing much harder this year, phones must be out of sight during instruction in class. Our time is going to be short, and I want to get the most out of it, as I hope you do as well. So phones out of sight, I don't want to see them. First time's a warning, second time it goes to the office. I think the third time, your parents got to pick it up after school. Also, number 3 here, this one's a little bit funny. Listen to the way I say it. Mask must be worn when appropriate for our setting. So obviously, if you're going to play trumpet, trombone, or something, you don't have to wear your mask at that given moment because you're going to be spaced apart. But if we're all working on percussion and we have to get a little bit closer on a marimba, mask will be worn for obvious reasons. Outside practice, effort, and homework is important. This is up to you. I've got a little quote at the bottom. It says, life presents many choices. The choices we make determine our future. For example, if you don't want to practice outside and you don't want to do your homework, the decisions you are making do affect your future. Your grade will be obviously lower. Your participation in the music program will be lacking. You'll be behind your peers. So again, I'm going to present to you many choices and things, options and opportunities. The choices you make to either successfully complete the project or to waver behind and not complete it determine our future. It determines your future and our future as a music department. Anybody, parents or students, can reach out to me anytime with questions or concerns. My email is lhoover@nwhite.k12.in.us. You're also more than welcome to call the school. Now, I think it's important, we're going to take a virtual tour of the classrooms, because I've got 2. We're starting here in the band room, we'll call it. This used to be known as the choir room. If nothing else, what I'm trying to show you is seats are spaced the appropriate distance apart. You'll see a bunch of instruments. I do need to clean up some more and get some things put away. I'm still in the process of making copies, but we are getting closer every day. In between the band room, I call it, and the general music room would be my office. Again, a mess because I just have not devoted enough time to completing this. We're now entering the general music room. Some of you might notice there are some new chairs, new desk, We're very appreciative of these, and we will be respecting and taking care of these. Some of you might also notice that there are a few instruments in here, but never enough. As we progress in general music class and choir, we will begin to put more instruments in here and play more. I want to remind everybody that school got cut short last year. I'm sure you know that. And I was sad to hear that. And I missed everybody. I can't wait to see you the first day of school. And hopefully we can just hit the ground running and start working hard to enjoy the fruits of our labor in the future. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Tell your family and friends to follow us on Facebook or Instagram. You'll simply search North White Music Department. Again, if you have questions, reach out to me. I'm looking so forward to a great year. I can't wait to see you. Adios.